go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. We are making the pumpkin pie, and now I'm going to show you the ingredients. Pumpkin puree. This is the pie shell, half and half. Cinnamon, vanilla, salt, eggs. We are having 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. We're going to add 2 whole eggs and 1 yolk. 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a cup of half and half. This is the pie shell. We're gonna put inside the oven for like 2 or 3 minutes, because when I want to put the pumpkin filling, I don't want the pie shell to be moist. So we're going to put inside the oven 2 to 3 minutes. We are mixing all the ingredients. The pie doesn't look raw anymore, so now we're just going to add the pumpkin filling. So we're just going to put the pie filling into the pie shell. We are going to put the pie in the oven 400 for 10 minutes, and then we're going to drop the temperature to 300, and we're going to cook the pie for 30 minutes. The pie is looking beautiful, so now we're going to put it 300 for 30 minutes. We spent 30 minutes. Let's see how the pie looks. Right on the money. Beautiful pie. Eat with Steve. We made a delicious pumpkin pie. I cannot wait to try it. I really like this pumpkin pie because when you eat it, you taste the pumpkin, and you know, the cinnamon is there. The crust is cooked all the way. It's nice and crunchy. It's excellent. It's easy to make. Your family is going to enjoy it.